Think the unimaginable. Experience the world of AI. The neurons that think.
Welcome to our groundbreaking video on generative AI, the advanced field of machine learning that holds immense potential for creative applications. In this informative video, we delve into the definition of generative AI, exploring its core concepts, processes, and real-world implications. Generative AI refers to the branch of artificial intelligence focused on creating AI models capable of generating original and unique content autonomously. From paintings and music compositions to realistic images and text, generative AI algorithms enable machines to mimic human creativity and produce novel outputs. In this comprehensive video, we provide an in-depth overview of generative AI, explaining its underlying mechanisms such as neural networks, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. We discuss prominent generative AI techniques, including variational autoencoders, generative adversarial networks, GANs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformers. By understanding these techniques, you'll gain a deeper insight into the inner workings of generative AI models and how they generate diverse and imaginative outputs. Additionally, we explore the diverse applications of generative AI across various industries, from assisting in content creation and designing virtual environments to enabling personalized recommendations and enhancing data augmentation. Generative AI is revolutionizing many sectors. You'll discover how generative AI is transforming the fields of art, gaming, advertising, healthcare, and more, unleashing new creative possibilities and driving innovation. Throughout the video, we highlight the significance of generative AI by examining successful use cases and exciting examples. By witnessing generative AI in action, you'll witness how these systems can generate impressive artwork, generate lifelike images, compose original music, and even simulate human-like conversations. We'll discuss the implications of generative AI in society, touching on ethical considerations, potential challenges, and future developments. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a creative professional, or simply curious about the capabilities of generative AI, this video offers a comprehensive understanding of this emerging field. By the end, you'll not only grasp a clear definition of generative AI, but also appreciate its transformative potential in the world of technology and creativity. Subscribe now and join our community to stay updated with the latest developments in the realm of generative AI. Unlock the power of creativity with generative AI and embark on an exciting journey of innovation and imagination. Remember to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Let's spread the knowledge and excitement surrounding generative AI together.